rested today because of our friends Joe and Whitney. They live in Austin and we knew them from a long time ago. Old church we went to together. They were nice enough to let us stay at their house on their air mattress and in their warm apartment. And it was super nice. We could feel super rested. Yesterday we went to a Cosmic food truck park, and they had coffee, drinks, and tacos. It was like a really good burrito I had
really good chicken tacos.
Yeah. And after that we just kind of hung out in the apartment, and then when Whitney got off we went over to South Congress, which is basically like a strip of nice shops and
restaurants,
brands that I've seen on the internet. But yeah, we're all showered up. They were nice enough to let us use their shower. And right now we are at this very well-known trail that runs through the city of Austin. It's like a half marathon length trail. It runs along the Colorado River, so we're parked in the parking lot right now, ready to walk it, kind of run it, just kind of enjoy the scenery for a little bit before we leave Austin and head to West Texas.
Oh, crazy. And we got our...
Oh yeah.
America the Beautiful pass.
We got a national park pass, so we had this sent to Joe and Whitney's apartment so we could get the mail when we arrived. We're making our first stop.
At HEB.
We're going to HEB. It's a Texas grocery store. There's another fellow camper in an excursion in a rooftop tent. There's HEB.
I have a thing with grocery stores. For some reason, I love exploring different ones. The sandwich is bussin'.
We decided to stop in Fredericksburg. We're going to look around in the shops. Really cool town. There's a lot here in the downtown area. Glass bottle. We just got to Guadalupe Mountain National Forest and it's pitch black outside. It's like 11 o'clock at night. All you can see are the stars and it looks insane. We are in the middle of a windstorm in the Guadalupe Mountains. You can hear it like super crazy outside the truck, and it shakes the truck. Have you noticed that?
Where are you?
North Alabama.
Nothing.
Oh, it looks creamy. Alright, we're setting off on the trail. Pine Springs Trail at Guadalupe Mountain National Park. The altitude, like taking your breath away, is no joke. The first 1.5 miles is the hardest, is what all trails said, so. This is so bright. My head looks like a greasy chicken nugget, for sure. Kind of on the lookout for some rattlesnakes. I know they're out here. This is looking super sketch.
That way.
Oh. Oh, it's a video. Woo!
Look at this view. Our car is parked, if you can see that little tiny parking lot down there. The only other hike that we've done like this, at least me, maybe you've done some bigger ones, but it's the Grand Canyon, which was massive, but it's so different because the Grand Canyon, you're just like, the farther you hike down, the more and more canyons you see, like above you and below you.
Yeah.
But this is like, you can see for miles over there. You can see like the roads and little buildings. It's kind of crazy. He's
Holding Gracie now. It's a fly away.
Oh, my sensitive teeth hurt up here.
It's looking crazy.
Oh man. Okay.
Okay, we're on the mountainside. So I don't know why you're gonna hit a rock.
Okay. It's cold.
Yeah.
You need help?
Almost to the peak. That's the peak right there. Or up there, I don't know which one. We're little morsels on the top of this mountain. Oh Lord, that's crazy. Oh, I feel like the top of my eyebrows are getting raw from the beanie.
There's the peak.
That's the peak, right?
There.
There.
We're right here.
Hey, this is me from the future while editing this video. I'm sorry to tell you I only have a 1-second video of me reaching the summit. My phone memory filled up. I took way too many videos on the way up the mountain and the previous day, so I hope that will suffice. But what you didn't see is I did touch the top of that pyramid structure, the peak statue thing, and then I show the view and it was amazing. You just have to take my word for it.
He had an injury. But look how good he makes it look.
We are at our campsite for tonight in New Mexico with this beautiful sunset. Gracie said that they say New Mexico sunsets are the best.
We summited our first mountain today. And by we, I mean Emilio. I was like what, a couple minutes away?
Like 4.
And
4
I was
minutes.
too scared. It was so windy and it looked like we were on the edge of like a rock mountain. I guess we were, but
Yeah.
and I just got too freaked out. But Emilio did it and I'm super proud of him for doing that. Now we're in New Mexico. It was so windy
At the national park.
yeah, where we parked last night, so we decided to drive out a little bit more, and this is where we ended up. So tonight for dinner we're having pasta with Italian sausage, if our water will ever boil, and some 4-cheese pasta sauce. We have our living room area /
Yeah.
office,
Just dumping all the footage from today and yesterday.
and then our
That's a Michelle sausage. Yes, sir.
we're on this side of the truck because
The wind is so
blowing.
bad, you might not even be able to hear it, but it's all coming from this direction.
Dishwashing station.
This is our first time on BLM land. I have honestly waited like 5 years after, doing so much research and finding out that you could camp on like public land.
We have boiling water.
That you could camp on public land. I have been all about it and I'm finally doing it here with my wife. So it's super special to me. This is our first time in BLM land and we're in New Mexico. We had the best sunset. I wish the wind wasn't here, but other than that, you cannot complain. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a actual blast to make. We had some casualties, as you probably will see, but otherwise, that was a memory we'll hold forever. So most definitely. But thank you for watching. Super stoked that you guys have been so supportive already of, you know, what we're doing, and just I love hearing and seeing the photos of you guys watching.
Wait, let me. Lindsay, if Palmer's watching, one of my friends from high school sent me a picture of her baby daughter watching us, and she said it's the only thing that she will actually watch on TV.
So baby Palmer, you just keep watching us and tell your mama you want to watch Emilio and Gracie do weird stuff, okay? Thank y'all for watching. Tune in on the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm getting faster at that, Lord. Okay, this is fun. All right, love you guys. Peace.
I don't wanna be bad, I don't wanna be good.